ladies, how you doing? So yes, you guys know I'm like going through a thing with lipstick. I'm having a freaking ball. Okay, so you guys remember, for those of you that watched my my haul video, I thought I picked up the NYX lingerie, however you want to pronounce it. I'm not sure. I want to say lingerie. The lingerie line, I really enjoy that formula. I really enjoy embellishment and beauty mark. I have those two. I really like those. So I want to pick up 2 more. Now the names that I'm about to read to you, I heard the names before, so I automatically assumed that they were a part of this lingerie line, but they're not. And in my video, I was kind of surprised because I picked them up and I was like, okay. One, it says, I woke up like this. And then the other one is Beyond Basic. So you guys know I love neutrals. I do have some reds. I do have a couple of berries, but for the most part, I stick with my neutrals. So I picked these 2 up because I like to always have stuff in my purse, at home, and in the car. It's crazy. I like lipstick. So I'm going to do a swatch test for these 2, and I'm going to put on one just to see how it looks and how it looks on me and how it feels. These are called, I didn't even tell you what they're called. These are called NYX Slip Tease, and these are lip oils. Now I've tried some lip oils before. I really didn't fancy them, but I hear these do dry down matte, so I was happy about that. That's why I did not return them. So let's remove what I have on my lips now, and we're going to dive right into it. I'm going to use a lip liner, of course. I'm going to use the NYX lip liner. I have the one here in Downtown Beauty. I wear that one out, y'all. I wear it out. I do have another one here, but I like that one so much. And I bought some more, but I tend to gravitate towards that one more. I probably should take the ones I got back and just get that one. But I need to try something different, because sometimes you get caught in a rut and you wear the same stuff, good Kelly, over and over again. So yeah, I forgot. I'm going to go ahead and peel these off because it's like Fort Knox getting into these things. I'm not complaining. I do appreciate, because you can definitely go places and stuff is not sealed. It's just pretty much there, and then you got to hope and pray you're the first one to use it. Okay. I have my lip liner on. It took me a long time to get these open. In addition to my daughter had to come help me. My baby had to come help me. So let's swatch Beyond Basic. Ooh. Ooh. That's pretty. And the formula is nice. And I was about to take these back. And this is I woke up like this. Ooh. Can you see it? Ooh, it's pretty. Okay, well, I'm gonna put on Beyond You. I like how that looks. It's nice brownie. I like brownie. I like brownies too. Greedy. Okay. Beyond You, let's go. Oh God, it feels like velvet. It feels like mousse. Oh, this is so pretty. Let me get some more lip liner. Oh, this is pretty. It feels like mousse on the lips. It feels good. And it looks good too. This is really nice. You know what? I'm going to take this, since it's lighter. This is called I Woke Up Like This. And I am going to put it in the middle. This can be a nice lip cocktail, honey. This is pretty. This is so pretty. And I would probably still put a gloss over this because it looks pretty. Guys, what you think? Let me know. If you own any of these Slip Tease let me know down below, because I was going to return this, and these are super pretty. I only have 2. They had several. I'll leave the links down below so you can check out all the colors and the ones that I have. But these are nice. I was sleeping on it. I was sleeping on it. We shouldn't sleep on stuff that we don't know nothing about, right? Really, really pretty. So, hey to all my new subscribers. Hey to all my loyals. Thanks for hanging out with me. And I'll catch you in my next video. Bye.